In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of reviewing and filing your VAT returns efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started, understanding VAT can save you a lot of time and potential hassle. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is access your financial management software or portal. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to the taxes section, and within that, you'll find the VAT subsection. This is where all the magic happens, so to speak. It's crucial to spend a little time becoming comfortable with this area, as it's the hub for all things VAT related. Here, you'll be able to see all your VAT transactions categorized neatly for your review. Now, reviewing these VAT transactions is an essential step. It involves checking each entry against your records to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. This might seem tedious, but it's an invaluable step to catch any discrepancies or errors that could affect your filing. It's also a great opportunity to really get to know the flow of VAT in your business, identifying where the majority of your VAT expenses and incomes occur, which can be handy information when planning budgets or just getting a clearer picture of your financial activities. Once you've thoroughly reviewed your VAT transactions, it's time to take a look at your VAT reports. These reports summarize your VAT activity, providing a clear picture of your VAT liability. Ensure that these reports align with both your transactions and your records, as any mismatches can lead to complications down the line. Double checking this information ensures that everything is in order before you proceed to the filing stage. The next crucial step is to prepare and file your VAT return. Depending on your preference or requirements, you may choose to do this electronically or offline. Filing electronically tends to be quicker and more efficient, reducing the chances of errors compared to manual filing. Most financial software will have a built-in feature for this, allowing you to directly submit your VAT returns to the relevant authorities without the need for paper forms. However, if you opt for offline filing, ensure you have the latest versions of the required forms and complete them accurately before submission. As you complete this process, remember to keep copies of everything, both digital and paper copies, if applicable. Having a record of your VAT transactions and filings can be invaluable for future audits or just for your own peace of mind, knowing you have everything you need at your fingertips. By following these steps, you'll navigate the VAT review and filing process